Hey, welcome to video number 2, and in this video we're going to talk about how to get started and launch your Powur business powerfully. No pun intended, a little bit maybe. So here's where we're going. There's only 2 things that we ever do to succeed in this business. In fact, it's got to be one of the simplest businesses in the world. If we're making it more complex than this, we're overcomplicating it. There's 2 things that we do to succeed. Number 1, we refer the people we know to get a free proposal from the #1 solar company in the world to have solar installed on their house at 0 cost and save money. That's all we do. And number 2, we send a video to other like-minded, passionate, creative, or entrepreneurial-like people, whoever, to check out our video, to learn about our opportunity, and to attend one of our calls or events or talk to your leader or whoever it may be. That's all we ever do. We send somebody a link to a video and ask them what they thought about it and get them connected to a leader, and we ask the people we know to get a free proposal from Solar City. So that very simple process is what we're going to talk about in this video so that you can start making money right away. You can understand your exact next steps to launch your Powur business, and we can give you some goals to go knock out of the park quickly.
All right, so let's get started. Now is where you want to take a look right below this video and look for the little PDF symbol or the Playbook symbol so that you can either open up or maybe print the Playbook guide. This is your step-by-step strategy, and we're going to walk you through every single page so that you know exactly how to do what Jonathan is talking about, which is to invite somebody to solar, invite somebody to business. And by the way, there's going to be a video for the invite to solar, there's going to be a video for the invite to Powur, and you're actually going to be able to watch one of our Powur partners do a real live call with one of their prospects and our partner at Solar City. So everything you need, you're gonna learn today or tonight, right now, to succeed in this business, right? So go ahead, pause the video, look down below, open up the Powur Playbook, and let's get rocking and rolling.